Look at that beautiful, healthy set of locks. Oh, what? You said what? I can't hear you. My hair's too long. Hey sis. So, today I'll be, I don't know, just showing you what I used to wash my hair. Someone asked me, do I have a maintenance routine, a video on it, and I don't really, because since I've come back, I don't really have a routine. I kind of just go with the flow, especially since my last consultation. So right now I have some Olaplex number 3 sitting on my hair because the last video you saw, I did the curly style, and so I got some mousse and, like, you know, spritz, and my hair just felt like it's time to be washed. It's been about almost a week. So I put the number 3 Olaplex on my hair. It's been on for a couple hours. I'm about to get ready to hop in the shower, but today I'm gonna wash, condition, and mask my hair because I just feel like it needs some moisture. Like, it's been cold, but not too cold, but my hair feel a little dry. So I'm gonna do those 3 steps, and then when I get ready to do that, I'll come show you what I'm using, and then I guess my hair gonna look the same, but if you want to see it, I'll still show you, okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, for my shampoo and conditioner combo and mask, I'll be using Carol's Daughter's brand of products because I love their products. I've tried other ones, but I'm in love with the Wash Day Delight collection from Carol's Daughter, specifically the shampoo and conditioner. So here it is. This is the shampoo. I love it because it's water to foam, and so the applicator as well can really get into the scalp and work it in, and I just love that so much. So I've been using this since I received it to test, like months ago, and I get it from Walgreens for about maybe like, I don't know, between $12 and $15, I believe. And then the conditioner, I bought this recently and I love it because it's also jelly to cream. Wait, so this is water to foam, this is jelly to cream, and I just love the formulation. My hair smells so good when I'm done, and so I'll be using this. It has aloe and glycerin, and this has aloe, and I just love their product. For the hair mask, I'm using their Repair and Cocoon mask. This is from the Goddess Strength collection, and I love it because it has a, you know, pretty pungent smell, but it actually works, and I'm like almost out of this. And so Carol's Daughter, if you see this video, girl, get me on the PR list, okay? I'll rave about your products. I definitely will, okay? That's a plug. But yeah, the Cocoon mask, I use this because, like I said, my hair is a little bit damaged from the color. We know that, okay? You ain't got to repeat that. We know that. But I'm using this for the mask. So I'm about to wash out this number 3 from Olaplex shampoo, condition, and then put the mask on with the cap, and then I'll be back. Alright, so right now I got conditioner in my hair, and look at that. Look at that beautiful, healthy set of locks, okay? I got the conditioner in. I'm gonna let it sit in for like 2 minutes and then get my cap. I want to show y'all this because I don't know if I told y'all yet, but I might have, but I am taking a picture of my hair every month this year. We're gonna track how long and how fast my hair grows. So I got my January picture, which I might post in this video, and then the next one will be February, March, April, May, and then I cannot wait to see what we grow from here. I cannot wait. So this year in August we'll make 4 years. The first 2 was with Sister Locs. Well, the first 2.5-ish was with Sister Locs, okay? And then now we into a whole new journey. But look at that. Look, girl, I can't wait to get down here. Oh, what? You said what? I can't hear you. My hair's too long. We finally made it here. Yeah. Finally. I think I'm gonna show y'all my full routine today, which is gonna include oils. And that's it, really. Oil and leave-in conditioner. And that's it. Simple. Alright, so I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna do that, and then when I get to the oil and leave-in conditioner, I'll bring you back, right? It's a step-by-step process. Okay, we have made it to the final products. For my oil, I'm gonna be using the Lucy Lou Miracle Drops Hair Growth Serum. I'm gonna concentrate this just around my edges because we know she be ghost, okay? Then I'm gonna use the Carol's Daughter again because I told y'all, Carol's Daughter, I know you see me. I know you see me. I'm using the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. I don't know if it's part of a line or a collection, but it's this one. And I love this stuff. I wish it came in a big bottle. This is 8 ounces. I wish I can get it like in a 64 ounce. I could make them myself, right? But this is about, I think, like between $12 and $15. So that is my routine. I'll come back maybe and just give you, I might put some beads on my things. I use them. I have a beater now and I'm obsessed with it. So I might put some jewelry on the front and then call it a day because we gotta go, but yeah. Look at me playing, retwisting this one lock. Look at that, that look good. I don't know. So this is the final result. I got a little peekaboo action in there, but beautiful clean hair. This is my maintenance routine minus retan or retwist, and I do believe it's a strong chance I might retwist my own hair at the end of this month, my birthday. So we'll see. We shall see. But thank you so much for watching and going through the journey with me. And shout out to the person who asked me this question. I forget your name, sis, but please don't judge me, okay? But this is today's video. I have more videos for you to watch. I have a beautiful curly style. If you like lock maintenance and lock styling, check out my latest video where I showed you a custom like curl, you know, mixture of loose and tight curls. Check the video out here. It's super dope and I love the style. And with that, I will see you on the next video, sis. Bye.